One word to describe Permatours: appropriate. When I think appropriate, I think it's something that is considering the context of where it is, and it's what is needed, when is needed, where is needed.
I feel like hope is probably, if it had to be one word, building dreams with people you care about is difficult and the most rewarding thing. It is the work, and it's an honor to dream and to play and to dance through life with people who care so much about others and the earth.
Permaculture, because permaculture is something that is a concept that applies to all facets of life and not just farming. It's a way of being that permeates into how we can organize ourselves as human beings within community and society, and to model what the systems look like in nature.
Inspiration. These little bite-sized projects and events that can give people a glimpse into a way to live that's fun and regenerative and different than the mainstream culture, and centered on connection and caring for the earth.
Permatours is an organism. I think it's a justice-oriented organism that is dedicated to the service of the planet, and dedicated to the spiritual journey that our culture is on through healing our relationship with the natural world.
Hope. Yeah, this family community gives me hope. And we talk about creating a more beautiful world that our hearts know is possible, to quote Charles Eisenstein, and it feels like we're living that. When we're together, when we're doing these events, like we're literally creating and manifesting and living the more beautiful world we know is possible.